Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. Happy Halloween! I made this for Halloween morning. It is pumpkin pancakes, of course. And here it comes. This is cranberry syrup. You can't quite tell what color it is, but it's made out of cranberry juice. I used concentrated, ooh, look at that steam. I used concentrated, unsweetened cranberry juice. If you use a cranberry mix, cocktail, whatever they call it, where it's diluted and mixed with sugar, you won't need to add any sweetener to this. So let me take a taste while it's nice and hot. That beautiful pumpkin color inside. Oh, that cranberry syrup. It's a perfect complement to the sweet, spicy pumpkin pie pancakes with cranberry syrup for breakfast. Mmm. Mmm. Syrup's piping hot. As always, when you're making pancakes, you want to make them at very, medium to low medium heat, because you want to cook them for a long time. You want the insides to be cooked without burning the outsides. So patience is really important for this. If you don't like waiting, you can wash the mixing up dishes. Find stuff to do while your pancake cooks. Don't go too far away. You don't want it to burn. But you want to find stuff to do. You don't want to just stand around waiting. I kept these warm in the oven while they were cooking so that the first ones wouldn't get cold. Put plenty of homemade butter on them. And the cranberry syrup. I made this batter in a blender. Basically what I did, I mixed it all up without the baking powder so that the flour would have a chance to hydrate. All of the ingredients would blend together better. Then at the last minute when you've heated your pan and you're ready to cook, you mix in the baking powder thoroughly and you're ready to go. Wait till the top surface of each pancake is completely dry and all the same color before you flip. Of course, I will have the recipe on my blog, and I will link to it in the description, along with yesterday's video, because this will be up Monday morning. I will also have Halloween dinner and Halloween dessert if I can manage to squeeze it all in. Thank you as always for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Regular uploads Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. This is a special for Halloween. It's going up Monday. Regular community tab posts Monday and Friday, though I've been posting all Halloween weekend since Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday I will be posting more Halloween stuff on Monday. I will also be linking to playlists now in the description. I also thank everybody in the description. So I really appreciate you guys viewing. Makes me feel good when I know people are watching. I'd probably do it anyway, but it's nice to know people are watching. So happy Halloween, everybody. I'm gonna have one more bite. I like the outsides the best because they get kind of just mildly crisp on the outside because they're a little bit thinner. Mmm. Mmm. I don't know how to explain how good this is and what it tastes like. Mmm. Cranberry syrup really sets it off. It's really good. I made it with juice, monk fruit sugar, and arrowroot to thicken it up. It'll probably turn into jam once it cools. So you could do that for a quick, easy cranberry gel for Thanksgiving. This is for Halloween, though. So happy Halloween if you celebrate. See you later, guys.